Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is lesson 460. The title of today's lesson is the difference between to throw to and to throw at. Yeah, this is one where sometimes students, especially students of ESL, can get mixed up between these two. Native speakers probably know, the main one, but there are several meanings to both of these phrases, so we'll try to clarify all of them. All right, let me step back for a second if somebody wants a screenshot. All right, let's get right to it. In the most simple terms, to throw a ball to another person or to throw an object to another person means you want them to catch it. So you're throwing it, here, take it, catch it, you're throwing it that way. If you throw that same object at someone, you want to hit that person with it. You don't want them to catch it. So there's actually quite a big difference between the two. This is the main one that you might have to worry about if some students got mixed up, because here you can make a big mistake. All right, let's continue. To throw to someone has two meanings. The main meaning is to toss or hurl, something to someone so they catch it. So toss would be like a light throw. Hurl would probably be more in sports, where you throw it over your shoulder and you're trying to throw it at the fastest amount of speed as you can. Okay, good. The second meaning of to throw to could also mean to knock, fling, slam, etc. someone or something to a place or to a position, especially to the ground, would probably be the main one. All right, and let's look. We got three examples for, to throw to. All right, let's play catch. I will throw the ball to you, and you throw it back to me. Yeah, sometimes, especially baseball, if two little kids, they're friends, it's not easy to play a whole game because you need a lot of kids or you need a lot of people. So sometimes they just throw a ball back and forth to each other. We call that, that's to play catch. So I throw it to you, you throw it to me. All right, let's look at the next example here. That pitcher threw the ball to the catcher at 95 miles per hour, 100 miles per hour. Of course, this would be in baseball. We wouldn't call this tossing. This would be hurling. But he still wants the catcher to catch the ball. He doesn't want him to miss the ball. He's not throwing it at the catcher. He's throwing it to the catcher. All right, let's go on. The third one, that wrestler threw his opponent to the mat and pinned him down. So in this case, you threw the person, and this would be to the mat, the mat, in the wrestling ring. Pinned him down means he held him down until he won. Okay, good. All right, so now let's look at to throw at. To throw at means to purposely throw an object at the direction of someone or something to hit them. So you really want to hit them with it. To throw at can also mean to take part in an activity with all one's energy or determination. That's another way that we say to throw at. A third meaning is to try to compete for someone's attention or affection in an overly eager manner. Okay, yes. So this is one. And I also sometimes hear people say that they throw money at something. Well, this would be another way of trying to solve a problem too. If that could solve the problem quickly or easily, sometimes that's a simple solution. Just throw some money at it, to make the problem go away. That's another way we say to throw at. Okay. All right, we have four examples here. Here's the first one. In the game of dodgeball, each player will throw a ball at players on the other team, and they want to hit them with it, because if they hit the player with that ball, then that player is eliminated. And, once a whole team is gone, then the other team wins. That's what they mean. Okay, good. Number two here. Watch out. You almost hit me in the head. Throw it to me, not at me. Yeah, so this is a way to really look at both at the same time. I've heard people say that if somebody threw it too forcefully or too hard and almost hit the person with this, hey, you're supposed to throw it to me, not at me. What are you doing? All right, so yes, okay. Number three here. I need to throw all my energy at this project to get it done on time. Okay, that's it. So you can throw your energy at something. Okay, and number four here, a lot of female groupies throw themselves at rock stars and athletes. Yeah, we do know this is true, and we know most women don't do this, but some girls who really like rock stars, and the rock stars unfortunately take advantage of a lot of these girls. So do the athletes too. They just can't resist if there's this pretty female. I don't know, maybe the female wants to brag about it. I have no idea. But the point is that we know that it exists. So we sometimes say somebody could throw themselves at someone. They're almost too over-eagerly giving themselves, especially their affection or sex or love to someone in this sense. We could say they throw themselves at someone. Okay, anyway, I hope you got it. I hope it's clear. I hope it's very informative. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.